Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following currencies are involved in affecting the revenues your company receives on shipments of action cameras and UAV drones to buyers in the four geographic regions where it does business? The correct answer of the question is Singapore dollars, euro, US dollars, Brazilian real, and even dollars. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, jaldi comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.